The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning. Today is January 23rd, 2018. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Our first story today is from the folks at CNBC.com. Huggies owner Kimberly Clark to slash 5,000 jobs and close 10 factories. Kimberly Clark, the maker of Huggies diapers and Kleenex tissues, on Tuesday announced it will be slashing about 13% of its workforce globally, or at least 5,000 jobs, in a bid to cut costs as sales wane. The company will also be shuttering or selling 10 of its production factories. It has 91 such factories worldwide. In making these changes, Kimberly Clark is anticipating more than $2 billion in cost cuts by 2021. It's also looking to exit or divest some of its lower margin businesses, particularly those in the consumer tissue segment. The changes we are making will improve our underlying profitability, provide more flexibility to invest in growth opportunities, and help us compete even more effectively. That is a quote from the chief executive, Thomas Falk, who said that in prepared remarks. Our second story today is from CNBC.com. U.S. Treasury yields drop after government shutdown is averted. U.S. government debt prices were sharply higher on Tuesday as investors reacted to the end of the shutdown. The yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note was lower at around 2.627% at 5 a.m. Eastern, while the yield on the 30-year Treasury bond was lower at 2.897%. Bond yields move inversely to prices, of course. Over the weekend, the U.S. government shut down after a bill that would have kept it funded was voted down in the Senate. This marked the first U.S. shutdown since 2013. Our third story today is from Investing.com. The opening bell, yen is up despite Bank of Japan, oil to 64, and equities keep on rising. After 3 of the 4 major U.S. indices opened lower yesterday, all 4, the S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ Composite, and Russell 2000, posted double records on both an intraday and closing basis after parties on all sides of the congressional aisle reached an interim funding agreement allowing government offices and services to reopen at least until February 8th. Regardless of how the current earnings season plays out, this deadline will likely become the next big focus for investors, egging them to buy stocks now in a race until the potential shutdown date. Absent any other obvious catalyst, yesterday's exceptional bullishness is a symptom of that psychology. Our fourth story today is from investing.com. Bitcoin falls below 11,000 as South Korea steps up regulatory push. The full price of digital currency Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies fell sharply on Tuesday as South Korea's government intensified measures to crack down on digital currency trading. Bitcoin was trading at $10,449 at 4:52 Eastern Time AM on the Bitfinex exchange after falling as low as 10,141 earlier. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, was last at 958 on the Bitfinex exchange after falling through the psychologically important 1,000 level. Meanwhile, Ripple's RXP token was trading at $1.25 on the Poloniex exchange, a drop of around 9%. Cryptocurrencies came under renewed selling pressures after regulators in South Korea said the government will ban the use of anonymous bank accounts in cryptocurrency trading from January 30th. And our final story today is from MarketWatch.com. Netflix on track for $1 billion market cap after fourth quarter results. Investors sent Netflix Inc. stock on a rampage after hours Monday, pushing shares up nearly 10% and setting the company on track for a $100 billion valuation by market capitalization following its fourth quarter results. Netflix beat revenue expectations by just under $10 million, logging earnings exactly where Wall Street predicted, 41 cents a share. But the company blew net subscription additions out of the water, logging 8.3 million new net subscribers, an 18% gain over the same period last year, well above the company's forecast of 6.3 million. It also handily beat the analyst consensus forecast of 6.37 million, according to FactSet. This exceeded our 6.3 million forecast due primarily to stronger than expected acquisition fueled by our original content slate and the ongoing global adoption of internet entertainment, the company said in a statement along with the fourth quarter results. Geographically, the outperformance versus guidance was broad-based. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is news you can use for today, January 23rd, 2018, your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a great day.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.